Hi friends, this video shows how to turn off TalkBack. Open settings, tap on this icon, then go down, then select more settings, tap here, then again go down, then select accessibility, tap here. So here you can see TalkBack, tap here. So right now it's off, so I am going to turn on, tap here, then tap on OK. So now I enabled TalkBack. So if you want to disable it, you can tap here. So we need to double tap, then again double tap on OK. So now I disabled TalkBack. So this is way we can enable or disable TalkBack. So I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe my channel, please like and share the video.